Did you know that most cars built today have got an air-conditioned glove box? Once you've turned your air conditioning on in the car itself, open up the glove box. If you have a dial that looks a bit like this, you can turn this on to varying degrees. You can turn it fully on. As you can see, you've got that symbol there to let you know that that is air conditioning. And now cold air will be blowing out of there straight into your glove box, which is a great way of keeping your drinks or food cold as we enter these summer months.